Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these mini black forest pavlovas. Let's begin. So to start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a small to medium bowl and then place in the sugar and cornstarch and just give a brief mix until they are incorporated. Then you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your egg whites and the vinegar and whisk until they become frothy. Once they become frothy, you can start to add your sugar, roughly around a tablespoon at a time, allowing it to fully incorporate before you add the next tablespoon. This does take a while, and you will notice that the meringue goes from looking frothy to smooth and glossy, and that's what you were looking for. To see if the sugar has fully dissolved in the mixture, you'll just want to stop the mixer and feel a little bit of the mixture, and if you can feel any granules of sugar, you'll want to continue mixing, but if you don't feel any, then you can take it off and you are done. You can then go ahead and grab your lined baking tray. I've just used a little meringue to secure the parchment paper in place. Then just grab yourself a large ice cream scoop and scoop up a amount of the meringue and just place it onto a baking tray. You can probably get around 8 onto the tray, but I only got 7, but you should be able to get 8 if you've got that extra bit of mixture. Then just take a spoon and make an indent in the middle, so that's where your cream and your fruit will go. So you want to go pretty deep but not too deep, leave like a little dip, that's all you need really. Then you'll want to bake these up. All of the information you need will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check that out if you're interested in making these. So once they're fully baked and cooled, you can then take some of your whipped cream and just pipe it into the centre. Feel free just to scoop it in if you like, but I find piping it looks better. Again, this is completely optional. Then you can top your pavlovas with the fruit of choice. I'm just using a frozen berry mix that was summer fruits or forest fruits, and just place the berries on top randomly, but feel free to decorate it however you like. And just because these are Black Forest, I decided to drizzle over some milk chocolate spread, but feel free to completely miss this bit out, or you can use melted chocolate if you like, whichever works best for you. And just for a final bit of chocolate, I sprinkle over some of the grated chocolate that I used on the gâteau. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to the recipe directly, my blog and all of my social medias, and don't forget to go and follow me over on them. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.